là.
My car is dirty. Stuck in mud on a spot. Let's get dirty. Maybe that's a little too much. No! But whatever.
It's so dirty.
Run!
What happened? What happened, girls?
We're learning how to ride in mud.
Wash your cars.
Washing is boring.
Eat.
Adria, let's do it together. Yippee! Cool!
What?
I like it!
What?
Done!
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh, cleaning is so boring!
Idea. What about teamwork? Bigger solution.
Ta-da! Us! Bubbles!
Sides.
Help! It doesn't work on my car. We need another solution. I agree.
Okay. Bubble machines.
Gimme! What? My machine stopped working! I will help you, Ariana. Yippee! Thank you, Adria. But my car is wet!
Phew!
Mine is wet too!
Help me to drive.
Go! Yay! Daddy, your hands is wet!
What? Ah!
No.
Run!
Ooh la la.
Turn it around! Yeah!